UNAD teaching. My name is Maria Cristina Medina. I am 38 years old. I was born in Bucaramanga and now currently live in Marinilla, Antioquia. With my husband and my children, my housewife, studying psychology at UNAD, 11 and 2 semester. My favorite hobby is watching movies in the series I like most is Lucifer. My favorite food is spaghetti and sport is basketball. In the morning I get early and tea, a shower and meet breakfast for my son and chat my mail for the university. And have afternoon meals and drink a cup of coffee and you my university. Or Ellen watching my son Omer share with friends and leave dinner at 7 and see novels 8 at 10 at shower and 10 at go to bed at 10:30. My family is made up of my husband Alexander. He is 40 years old. He was born in Bucaramanga and he is a pensioner of the National Police. My son Juan Felipe is 40 years old, born in Bucaramanga, studying and IE Marinilla. He practiced soccer and currently we live in Marinilla, Antioquia. My mother fished away when she was I months old. My father, Jose Antonio, is 68 years old and lives in Bucaramanga. My sister, Ludari, is 39 years old and has worked at 4 children and Aaron Barbosa Santander. My grandmother, Berta, is 88 years old and lives in Bucaramanga. Work and M.A. Olga Lucia and 12 coaches, Hood and Angela and Camilo. Bye.